My name is Malika Hamo, and my technique was northern block analysis. So, what is northern block analysis? Northern block analysis is a laboratory method used to detect specific RNA molecules amongst a mixture of RNA. They typically get compared with cancer cells, and they compare that to normal cells using RNA. Some steps of using the northern blot analysis. The first step is the isolation of the mRNA. The second step is the electrophoresis to separate RNA size. And then the third is the transfer of RNA, and then immobilization of RNA, application of probe, and then it visualizes the probe. So typically some diseases that get detected using the northern block analysis is kind of to investigate whether a gene is overexpressed or underexpressed, and again, comparing a cancer cell to a normal cell. Overexpression means the cancer cells produce or transcribe too much RNA from the gene, sorry. And then overexpression can occur when a gene is amplified or turned on or turned up. So some advantages of using Northern blot. Northern blot actually, it's one of the most valid methods of all the blots, including Western, Eastern blot analyses. The advantage of using the northern blotting include the detection of RNA size, meaning it gives you a good visualization of the RNA. The observation of alternate splice products, the use of probes, the quality and quantity of RNA can be measured on the gel prior to blotting. And those are pretty much the advantages of using northern blot analysis. And then finally, here's a clip of a video. He explains a little bit more about what RNA is.
Hey guys, quick biochemistry basics here. Let's talk about northern blot. Northern blot is a molecular biology technique used for the detection of specific RNA. In this technique, RNA is first. For this purpose, the nylon membrane is placed on the gel and filter papers are placed on the top. The gel is then transferred in the buffer. Due to capillary action, the filter paper absorbs the buffer and the RNA present in the gel binds the nylon membrane.
That pretty much concludes the northern blot analysis.